Here, amidst the silence of nature, beauty radiates from the mountain peaks. Pure water flows gracefully, carrying peace in every soft ripple. A symphony of nature unfolds, blending into a serene and breathtaking harmony. Each droplet tells a story of eternity and tranquility in the heart of nature. This serene beauty reminds us that nature is the eternal source of calm and inspiration.